Hey, I created this beautiful logo for my bike shop with Wix Logo Maker. Check it out. Go to wix.com Logo Maker. To start, I'll type my business name and my tagline, but make up your own. It's for my bike shop, and I want my logo to be dynamic and playful. Now this is smart. I can show the Logo Maker exactly what I want. I'll use my logo on my website, business cards, merch, everywhere. All right, Wix Logo Maker, show me what you got. Whoa, so many designs to choose from. I'm feeling this one, and I can customize it even more. I want my icon to be, well, iconic. And I'll change the colors. This looks great. I put my new logo on business cards, bags, and my new Wix site. It's not just my new logo. It's my new brand. Go to wix.com Logo Maker. Create your professional logo today.